Hey guys, today I made $5,000 trading EURJPY. Damn! Yeah, though we took a loss on BTC, but EURJPY kind of recovered the loss and massive profits. $5,000, but it's not so much, it's just small money. Somewhere around 7.5 million. So yeah, but I want to show you guys how I did it. Come, let me show you guys. Follow me, bring the camera up. Yeah, $5K on EURJPY. Yeah, let me show you guys how we did it on the chart. Yeah, so you guys can learn how to make huge money from JPY pairs. All right guys, let's have it. All right guys, welcome back. So I said I was going to show you guys how I made $5,000 trading EURJPY, though we took a loss on BTC as said. I also made money on CHF-JPY. You guys know that JPY is one of my favorite pairs. Okay, so guys, so I didn't just make money alone. I dropped it in the funded traders group as well as the VIP signal room. So I don't make money alone. You guys already know me. So let me show you how I actually made the move on this trade. Very simple. You need to know your directional bias. That is where the market is moving towards to. So this is clearly an uptrend. And what do? I try to find my break of structure or my market structure shifts here. Okay, so I had this right here, the break of structure. Then I scaled to 1 hour time frame to refine. Then after mapping out my breakup structure, I had my liquidity that tested almost twice. Here, this is the place here and here. Then what I did was I went to 30 minutes and 15 minutes to actually look for the POI that is close to my entry point, and I waited for my liquidity to be swept, which gave me this movement here. So this market was actually cleared right here and tapped into my POI. Then it started moving upward. I dropped the signal. Yeah. So we're following the trade from Asian section. Now look at this move. Market moved like this upward, retrace, move up, then come back to begin again from our entry point. And I lectured you guys in the Forex Clinic. In case you don't know about the Forex Clinic 4.0, the video is still on replay on our YouTube channel. Go and watch it. It says something about your break even. It's not every trade you break even. Yeah, if you're a professional trader, you've gotten massive knowledge, you should have a very strong psychology of whatever you're risking, they don't need to break even until you hit TP, that's when you take up profit. But if your mind can't carry it, fine, you can use your break even. So just imagine that you start buying here and you broke even somewhere around here. The market did like this, kick you out. Now, what will happen to these remaining profits that got up to our TP? Right, I'm already out of the market. It's only close to our TP, so I was done at this point here. So guys, just imagine that you would have just taken a little money, but I held onto the trade and look at what it dished out. A massive move. This is a crazy 1 to almost 4 ratio. 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. And that's what gave me $5,000 after deducting BTC trade. And adding with CHF-JPY, that should be more than 5K. But for this post, I said EURJPY actually made 5K from, okay? And that is it. If you want me to drop more videos like this to show you how I take my trades, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, it doesn't take you too much, so as to encourage me to drop my setups like this. So it's not easy making this video. Just imagine I analyze the market, make money. I should go and see do something, but I just made the video. So okay, let me share with you guys so you can learn. If you're not in the funded traders group, you know what to do. The link in the description. Make sure you click it to get an account from TENTRADE, either funded account or you trade your actual money. Okay, you can trade your actual money. Funded a $2,000 or $5,000. You can trade your actual money. They even get a 100% deposit. That's if you do $5,000 deposit, you can get an extra $5,000. Okay, then you trade. Then if you don't want to fund the actual money and trade, you can actually purchase an account, any one of your choice, the valuation, the funded account, the instant funded account, any one of your choice, you can start making money. So make sure you do that with our link, our promo code, so that you gain access to the funded traders group free of charge. Nobody's going to give you such an amazing offer. And if you want VIP signals, it's still up to you. You can send me a message and then can give you VIP signals. So, 100 traders, here is your offer. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.